Happy Friday, everyone. It's Fun Friday time. Hey there, tech family. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Microsoft 365 and how to integrate your phones for a communication upgrade that's smoother than your favorite dance moves. Microsoft 365 is like your ultimate toolbox for collaboration, and it's packed with awesome communication tools. Let's break it down. Microsoft Teams, your one-stop shop for chatting, video calls, and sharing files. It's like the Swiss Army knife of teamwork. Exchange Online, for all your email and calendar needs. Keep your schedule as organized as your sock drawer. SharePoint, where all your documents hang out, ready for action. Think of it as your digital library, but way cooler. Now let's get into the fun part, integrating your phones with Microsoft 365. Here's how to do it. Get the right license. Make sure you have a Microsoft 365 license that includes Teams Phone. It's like getting the VIP pass to the concert. Choose your calling plan. You can go with Microsoft Calling Plan, Operator Connect, or Direct Routing. Pick what suits your style best. Set up your phone numbers. Head over to the Microsoft Teams Admin Center and set up your phone numbers. It's like setting up your playlist, easy and fun. Configure call routing. Customize how calls come in and set up voicemail settings. Make it work for you, just like your favorite playlist. If you need help with any part of this process, call your IT partner at 303 Tech to get you going. And there you have it. With Microsoft Teams Phone, you can cut through the noise and connect like a pro. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, you'll be ready to chat, call, and collaborate seamlessly. So what are you waiting for? Let's make communication fun and fabulous. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Fun Friday tips and tech hacks. At 303 Tech, we keep you simply connected. Have a fantastic weekend.